Hello and welcome to my workshop. My name is Jeremiah. On this video, I'm going to be doing some machining. I bought this tripod at a going out of business sale for a film school. It's a nice tripod, got it really cheap. Unfortunately, it came with the wrong camera plate. As you can see, it's just a little too wide. It won't go on, but it looks like it has all the right shapes underneath. The dovetails on the tripod and the dovetails on the camera plate appear to match up perfectly. It just gets a little thick right there. What someone else might do is go on eBay, try to find the camera plate that goes to this tripod. In my research online, I found a camera plate for this tripod, but it cost 125 bucks because I don't think they make this tripod anymore. Thankfully, I'm a machinist and I have a Bridgeport, so I am going to machine this down and see if I can save myself some money. So I have a plate here that I can do some measuring on, and it's not going to be super precise, but I don't think it needs to be terribly precise. I'm pretty sure this angle is pretty standard. I took my digital angle finder and I zero it out right here. So I take this and line it up here. You can see it is 60 degrees. So I have a 30-degree angle block that is the inverse of 60 when it comes to a right angle. 90 minus 60 is 30. Take this guy, line this surface up there, and put it in a vise. That's going to make this surface right here completely flat. And that's where I need to machine. A couple of blocks here just to raise it up off the vise. I'm going to put it right in here. So I'm going to take my 30-degree angle block, set it up against there. It's not the most stable setup, but I'm just going to be taking very light passes, so I don't think I need to worry too much about it. I've got a 4-flute end mill, and it's just wider than the edge that I'm cutting, so that's perfect. Go over here and get, I think it's 3/8, nope, it's 1/2 inch. There we go, got a 1/2 inch collet. That might be enough. All right, let's see if that was enough. No. All right, keep going. We have our machined edge. We slide it on here. All right, and then yeah, this little bolt keeps it from falling out, and then this allows it to slide out, slide in, and then you tighten it down over here. Boom, that's awesome. I love having a Bridgeport in my workshop. It's the best. I love knowing how to machine things. It made this job so much easier, and I love it. That's perfect. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Jeremiah Dawes, and I'll see you on the next video. It's beautiful. I used that to machine that, and boom. Lock it down there, not going anywhere, unlock it, release it. Beautiful. So, problem solved.